The main functions of the urinary system are removal of waste products like that toxic urea from protein breakdown. The urinary system also regulates water and salt levels within the body. It also regulates our pH levels, and it helps maintain our blood pressure. So it has a lot of vital functions to help our body work the way that it does. We roughly produce 1 to 2 liters of urine per day, but actually it's roughly about 150 to 180 liters of blood is filtered through the kidneys every day, and we only produce 1 to 2 liters of waste products. And you'll see why as we go through this slide. So basically, when we think about the urinary system and its main function, think about it as cleaning your blood. So imagine having to clean out a fridge, this fridge here, for example, and some of the food is out of date and all spoiled, but some of the food is still good. So you take everything out of the fridge, the bad stuff goes into the bin, and the good stuff goes back into the fridge. That's basically what your kidneys are doing. You're basically squeezing everything out, the good stuff included, and then you reabsorb the goodies back in and get rid of the bad stuff in your urine. So that it's kind of cleaning the blood and making sure that any waste that we don't want is being expelled from the body.